Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Notion on Windows. So you open up your browser, search up Notion, open notion.com, and right here I want you to click on download and then click on Notion. Okay? And on this page, I want you to click on download for Windows. So it'll actually pick up that you're accessing from Windows. And as you can see, the download has already started. So we'll wait for that to be done so we can launch the setup. All right, there we go. So we'll just go ahead and click on that to launch it. And then the installation setup should begin. You just have to wait for a few seconds and let it go ahead and install into your Windows computer. And there we go. The installation has happened and it is refreshing my Windows PC right now. And they're actually launching a Notion for me to go ahead and use. And there we go. Now you can go ahead and log in or sign up for Notion, and it's really that easy and simple.